Let's go, fellas, man. Play fast, play free, man. Come on, man. This is enjoyment. This is enjoyment, bro. Let's go, bro. Playmakers on 3, 1, 2, 3. Playmakers. Let's go. Let's go.
Runner. We got to tackle early and start fast. Let's go. All right. It's a great day to go out there and show who we are. Show who we are, dog. You bet. Show us the way. Show us the way.
Get it, wide eyes on me, wide eyes on 3, 1, 2, 3.
That's what I'm saying. Let's rock, man. Y'all know y'all can do that. I believe in y'all. I know y'all believe in y'all. We all we got. Let's rock, man.
Handoff for Stevenson. Big hole up the middle. A burst across the 40. There we go. Angles left 45-50. A running 2 Colts to the near sideline. And he's tripped up with a diving tackle made. Takes the snap, swing of the right leg. The kick lifted to the uprights is good. And the Patriots strike first.
Sorry. We got to finish. We got to finish. Good job. Good job.
Nice drive.
That's how you get downhill. What they talking about? We down.
Second down at 11. Shotgun snap to Richardson. Push up the middle. Throw down the middle. It's tipped. It's going to be intercepted by Ellis off the deflection from Tavai. He does a U-turn at the 45. He's tackled at the 41. Snap to the right. Gibson off the left hip of Maye. Screens it left for Douglas. He gets to the outside, but he's brought down. A terrific tackle.
That's it, 3. That's it.
Leaning forward, Maye takes a low snap, backs up. Stands in, throws back shoulder. Hooper catches. He's in for a touchdown. Let's go!
Let's be patient on the edge. The ball carrier running with good patience, so we got to be patient.
Taylor runs it to the right side, trying to get outside, chased by Douglas, strung out on the play, and Powell chops him down outside the 5 at the 7-yard line. Handoff Gibson. Waits to pick an opening, runs to the left side, and he's finding his way into the end zone, and Gibson! Patriots!
Good running, downhill.
From the Indy 35, play fake by Richardson on the drop. Steps up, throws down the middle, passes intercepted. Christian Gonzalez breaks in front of Pierce. He picks it off at the 48-yard line of New England.
Hey, all pro Gonzo, bud. Yes, sir.
Sly and the Patriots trying to hit from 68. The snap is down, the kick. The kick is sailing to the goalpost. The kick is just short. The Patriots fall by the 25-24 final.